Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us solve the exercise 3.6 of the chapter Playing with Numbers. Question number 1. Find the SCF of the following numbers. So here are the questions. We have to find the SCF of the following numbers one by one. So first we have to find the SCF of 18 and 48. So prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. And prime factorization of 48, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So SCF of 18 and 48, that is highest common factor that exists, that is equal to 2 into 3 or 6. Next we have to find the SCF of 30 and 42. So prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5 and prime factorization of 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. So SCF of 30 and 42, that is the highest common factor in between two numbers, that is 2 into 3 is 6. Next, we have to find the SCF of 18 and 60. So prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3 and prime factorization of 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So SCF is, that is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Next, SCF of 27 and 63. So prime factorization of 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 and prime factorization of 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. So SCF of 27 and 63, that is highest common factor, that is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Next, SCF of 36 and 84. Prime factorization of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and prime factorization of 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So SCF of 36 and 84, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Next, SCF of 34 and 102. So prime factorization of 34 is 2 into 17 and prime factorization of 102 is equal to 2 into 3 into 17. So SCF of 34 and 102 is equal to 2 into 17, that is 34. Next, what is the SCF of 70, 105 and 175? So first we have to factorize 70, 105 and 175 separately. So prime factorization of 70 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. Prime factorization of 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. Prime factorization of 175 is equal to 5 into 5 into 7. So SCF is 5 into 7, that is 35. Because, so 5 into 7, this is the highest common factor that exists in the factorization of these three numbers. Next, to find the SCF of 91, 112 and 49. Prime factorization of 91 is equal to 7 into 13. So, prime factorization of 112 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and prime factorization of 49 is equal to 7 into 7. So, 7 is the highest common factor in between these three, among these three numbers. So, SCF is equal to 1 into 7, that is equal to 7. Next, we have to find the SCF of 18, 54 and 81. Prime factorization of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factorization of 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Prime factorization of 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, SCF of 18, 54 and 81 is equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. Then SCF of 12, 45 and 75. Prime factorization of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Then prime factorization of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Prime factorization of 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. So, SCF is equal to 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. So, 3 is the highest common factor among these three numbers 12, 45 and 75. Question number 2. What is the SCF of two consecutive numbers? Second, what is the SCF of two consecutive even numbers? Then third one, what is the SCF of two consecutive odd numbers? So, the answer is like this. First, what is the SCF of two consecutive numbers? SCF of two consecutive numbers be 1. And what is the SCF of two consecutive even numbers? SCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. Then what is SCF of two consecutive odd numbers? SCF of two consecutive odd numbers is 1. Then question number 3. SCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. That is, 4 can be factorized as 2 into 2 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so SCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is this answer correct? If not, what is the correct SCF? So, the answer is like this. The SCF of 4 and 15 is not 0. This is 1. The correct SCF of 4 and 15 is 1. You know that the SCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. Thank you.